Don't ignore catalysts. Don't ignore hype. If you do, you'll regret for the rest of your life. If you like my rhyme, make sure you hit that like button. But Caspa is finally on the move, and I am extremely excited about that. I'm going to get into the video in just a second. But first, for anyone looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits, extra bonuses of up to $10,000. And if you're a leverage trader, you get to use up to 500x leverage, which is kind of crazy. You'll also find other links down below like Trade Assist, which is a great indicator. I'm going to show you that a little bit later on, and you'll find a link to my Patreon if you want to check that out. All right, but let's get into things. Instead of starting with Caspa, let me actually start off with this one right here. Let me pull it up for you guys, actually. So this one right here, Ondo. See, Ondo has a massive unlock that's coming up in just a day, right? But the price seems to be holding up, and I'm assuming that a lot of people are unaware of the massive unlock that's about to happen on Ondo. But you know what you don't have to worry about? You don't have to worry about anything like that on Caspa. But remember, I posted a video, when was it? Maybe like a week or two ago, how another crypto YouTuber was talking about a major unlock that was happening on Caspa. It's like, no, we don't need to worry about that. That's the beauty about Caspa. We can just invest and know that our money is in good hands. I mean, nothing is financial advice. At the end of the day, I can always be wrong and things can always go south. But I feel confident in my investment being in Caspa right now because, and I talk about this many times, I pull up the charts many times for you guys, and I say the same thing over and over and over and over again. When it comes to majority of the coins in crypto, it's hard to tell where the bottom is because a lot of those coins has already ran so much. But you take a look at the charts on Caspa and you're like, okay, well, it's pretty obvious that the bottom is around 10 cents because it's been there multiple times. And until I see 10 cents get broken up, like until it breaks below 10 cents and comes down to like 8 cents or whatever, I'm going to continue to say 10 cents is a floor for Caspa. And I say this in all of my Caspa videos, and it continues to be true because Caspa keeps bouncing off of this 10-cent support area because that's where everybody wants to load up. And you got to ask yourself, why does everybody want to load up on Caspa around 10 cents? Well, you take a look at where the all-time high is, right? The all-time high is 20 cents. So if you buy Caspa at 10 cents, you double your investments once it reaches its all-time high. And we know that it's been trading in the zone for over a year now, right? From like 20 cents to 10 cents. It's just been trading in this zone for over a year. So what a lot of people is most likely thinking, I buy at 10 cents, I sell at 20 cents, I buy again at 10 cents, I sell again at 20 cents. So when you think about it, it's actually not such a bad strategy, right? So 10 cents has been proven to be the solid floor for Caspa. Now, if you did take advantage of the dips and you did buy Caspa at 10 cents because your bags weren't fully full, then that was definitely a great dip buy on your part. You're up almost, it didn't get to exactly 10 cents. Let me see here. It went to like 10.7, right? But you would have basically doubled your, or not doubled, almost up 50% on your investment right now while Caspa is sitting at 15 cents, 15.1. So things are great on the charts for Caspa. I am very happy, very pleased, and Caspa continues to do its thing. Like I mentioned at this video, at the beginning of this video, you don't want to ignore hype. You don't want to ignore Catalyst, and we know that Catalyst is coming for Caspa this year. The last thing that I feel anyone should be doing is selling when a coin is about to make some massive moves, right? Now, if we take a look at this indicator here, it's been a while, and I've talked about this many times. It's been a while since we saw a bullish momentum was fired. The last time a bullish momentum was fired was December 1st, all right? So about what, a month and a half ago. And now we see here that another bullish momentum was just fired January 16th. And why did this bullish momentum just get fired? Well, if we take a look here, what we notice is Caspa broke out of this previous resistance area. As you can see, Kaspa tried breaking above 13 cents a couple times back here, December 21st, and then back here at the beginning of January. Now we broke through that 13 cents area and we are sitting at 15 cents, right? Now the next resistance area is probably going to be somewhere around 16 cents. And then after that, we're going to look towards 17 cents. And then after that, we might actually never see 10 cents on Caspa ever again. Now, some of you might be like, okay, likelihood of that is very, very small, considering that, yes, the coin had been trading sideways and bouncing off of 10 cents many, many times. And that is true. The only thing is, we expected 2025 to be a massive year for Caspa because of the catalyst. And once those catalysts does happen and we get that Binance listing, yes, I honestly don't think we're going to ever see 10 cents on Caspa ever again. What's going to happen with this 20-cent all-time high is this 20-cent all-time high is going to be used as future support levels. This 20 cent will eventually start to act as like the 10-cent level all the way down here. So once Caspa breaks out and start going up and up and up, eventually it's going to have a cool down period where it does come crashing down, bounces off of 20 cents, continue to skyrocket. That's what I think is going to happen. So whether or not you guys want to continue to hold your Caspa bags is on you. I have read some of the comment section where a couple of you said you're planning to get out of Caspa once it reaches like 17 cents. You want nothing to do with it, and that is fine. But like I said already a couple times, don't ignore hype, don't ignore catalyst, but do you at the end of the day, because I already know how this is going to play out. As soon as you hit that sell button, Caspa breaks all-time highs and then you end up chasing, and that's never a good idea. But anyways, if you're holding Caspa, I think you're going to be very, very happy this year. All right, let's get into some KRC20 tokens now because I know some of you hold some. So let's talk about it. All right, so we got Nacho sitting at 25 million, Kango sitting at 14.5 million, Caspi 8.7. We got this one right here, which is 95% pre-minted, sitting at 7 million. Then we got Gold 70% pre-minted, sitting at 4.7 million. Then Casper at $4 million market cap, right? So these coins are just chilling, waiting for Caspa to explode before they start to explode as well. And if you don't think that there's at least one of these coins that's going to hit $100 million market cap, I think you're kidding yourself. You're absolutely kidding yourself. There's been a lot of trading happening on the KRC20 meme coins. You know, we just minted out this one Kachi not that long ago. A couple people in my Discord minted and traded this one right here, Kekius. I know a couple that made an insane amount of money on Kekius already, so I was definitely happy to see that. And there's other coins that was traded. We got Quoke that was traded. I think some people still hold that. But yeah, I believe that it's just the beginning for KRC20 tokens. And once Caspa breaks all-time highs and holds above all-time highs, we're going to see some of these coins explode, and I can't wait to see that. I'm just waiting. I'm holding my coins patiently, and I have no worries. There is no need for me to panic sell or do anything like that. I've been here many times in not only the crypto space, the stock space, where as soon as you sell, you completely regret it. So I'm just holding. I'm chilling. I'm going to see how 2025 plays out for Caspa. I think it's going to be massive. Once again, nothing is financial advice, but if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below, and until next time, take care.